Today we went to Cheshire to carry out some drain repairs on a soil and vent pipe that's losing huge amounts of water underneath the building. During our camera survey, we found that this 100mm cast iron pipe, which is serving his toilet upstairs and bath, had a massive joint out underneath the building. So every time he was flushing or running water down, it was just piling out into his footings, which is what's caused his damp and subsidence issues. I then carried out a small excavation to expose the rest bend so we can get it out, and also allow for an access point downstream so we can put a sleeve in and seal up several fractures that were noted along the line. I then removed all of the old defective clay rest bend before offering up a new UPVC one and a transitional clay to plastic banded coupling. Before we could put a reline in, we had to load up our drum with a brand new calibration hose. This is the balloon that goes down the inside of the sleeve and holds it out to pressure until it's cured. The front nozzle was done up nice and tight to make sure there's no air leaks, and the side door as well. Then it was time to activate our resin and pour it inside a 100mm drag liner, which was pushed into place so we could seal up all of the fractures and displaced joints along the run. The calibration tube was put down the inside, and this drum was inflated to about a bar of pressure. Once the balloon comes through the end of the liner, you know you're all the way through, and it sits in place for about 2 hours until it's fully cured. We then pulled the calibration hose out, leaving a new liner inside the pipework. We then installed a brand new UPVC rest bend and ran a camera through the drains so we can get a recording of all of our repairs and make sure there was no more defects left behind. We then checked our couplings on the stack weren't leaking before backfilling the hole with loads of concrete to make sure that rest bend can't move again in the future. After this, we put some disinfectant down and had a good sweep up everywhere. We informed the insurance company about the movement near the base of the soil and vent pipe, but the drains are now all sealed. That's another job ticked off the list.